Lip Combo Wednesday, and we have another lip combo for you. For today's lip combo, we will be combining two lip glosses. Bakit dalawang lip gloss? Kasi I have the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. Super pigmented, super power color, but it is so sticky. I just can't really wear it comfortably. So I usually combine this with another lip gloss that supposedly helps in canceling out that sticky feel on the lips. So here's what I do. So this is the Vice Cosmetics Perfect Kizz Lip Liner. And I use it to contour my lips. And with a little bit of shading action going on in there. And then with the Charlotte Tilbury Dirty Dancer lip gloss, I'm gonna go in. This color is so gorgeous, I swear. And to help cancel out the stickiness, I will be applying the Perfect Kizz lip gloss. So there you have it, a very pigmented lip. Super glossy, super shiny, but without the sticky feel.